Hello people, welcome one and all to Jojo's Learning Club.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel Jojo's Learning Club. So this is the part 3 on mensuration where I will be discussing on work problems based on properties of quadrilateral. If you have not watched the video on properties of quadrilateral, please do watch that video at first, then only watch the work problems. Then you will have a better understanding on how to deal with problems when you are asked to find the kind of quadrilateral and also to find the angles marked. Okay, and I have also discussed some properties in the previous video. This will be very much helpful for you to solve the problems in this video. Okay, let's directly start with the problem. State the type of quadrilateral and determine angles marked from A to L. So there are different angles marked from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So we need to find all these angles and also we need to find what kind of quadrilateral is this. First let's take the let's just determine what are these kinds of quadrilateral. You can say that all four sides are equal, so then this would be, and also the angles are right angles, so you can say that this is a square. Okay, then the next one is, you can see that they are not same, but this is somewhat similar to a rectangle. In rectangle, what are the opposite sides are parallel and equal in length, and they also form 90 degrees. All four angles are right angles and also the opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. Then we say it as a rectangle. Okay, now what kind of a parallelogram is this one? This is a rhombus, because you can see that rhombus takes so much of properties from square, and you can see that all four sides are equal in length. Then this is a rhombus. For the next one, it is also somewhat, so I have forgot to mark, this is a parallelogram. Also, from the last figure, it's very easy to recognize what kind of quadrilateral is this. This is a trapezium. In trapezium, you know that only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So this is a trapezium. So now we have found what are the types of quadrilateral, and now we have to find the angles marked from A to L. So first let's start from to find angle A. Okay, we need to find angle A. You also know from the properties of quadrilateral that the diagonal bisects the right angle. So this angle would be also equal to A, because the right angles, the diagonal always bisects the right angle at equally. So this angle would be also equal to this angle. So you can say that angle A is equal to 90 degree. Right angles means it is 90 degree. So angle A is what? 90 degree by 2, which is 45 degree. So the angle A we have already found, this is 45 degree. Now let's find the angle B, C and D. Okay, let's start with triangle. This is a rectangle and we take the triangle FHG, or this one, this place enclosed. Okay, now from that we can find angle B, because we already know that this angle is 90 and this is 40. So angle B plus 40 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So from that we can find easily angle B is what? 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. So angle B is already known that is 50 degree. Here it was 45 degree. Now we need to find angle C. Angle C is easy to find. Either you can take, because the total angle of a side of a rectangle is 90 degree. So from that you can find angle B plus angle C is 90 degree. So what would be angle C? Angle C is 40 degree. Also you have another way to find. You also know that in rectangle, EH is parallel to FG. EH is parallel to FG. So they form a parallel lines, right? So for parallel lines, they are also parallel. That is one of the properties of rectangle. For parallel lines, when you draw a diagonal bisecting both the parallel lines, then the alternate angles are equal. That is, if this angle is 40 degree, this angle would be also 40 degree. Or also you can find from the total angles of one side of one angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. From that you can get 40 degree. Or you can also find from the alternate angle. So there are two methods to find the angle C. Okay. So there I have written two methods. You can use whichever way you use. And to find angle D, what is the easiest way to find angle D? I have already discussed in my previous video. That's why I said you to just see the previous video first. Then you will have a better understanding on how to solve it. Because this is an external angle for this triangle, right? How to find the external angle, angle D? Angle D is the sum of the interior opposite angles. What are the opposite angles here? This is one of the opposite angles and this is one of the opposite angles. So angle D is what? 90 degree plus sum of the interior opposite angles, that is angle E plus angle H. So not angle H, angle EHF. That is what? 40 degree. So which is what? 130 degree is the angle D. I hope it's clear. It is taken from the formula for external angle of a triangle. The sum of the external angle of a triangle is given by the sum of its interior opposite angles. From that you get the value of angle D as 130 degree. Now we need to take about the problem C. Let's solve the problem C. Okay, this is a rhombus. For rhombus, what are the properties? The diagonals bisects the interior angles and also the opposite angles are equal in a rhombus. So you can say that this angle would be same as this angle, right? So also the diagonals bisects the angles. So what you can say that this is also 30 degree. Then what it would be? This is also would be 30 degree and this will be also 30 degree. So you easily got the value of angle E. Angle E is what? 30 degree. So you easily go angle. So it's abbreviation for angle. Yeah, you write or represent it in terms of angle like this. Okay. So angle E is 30 degree. Now we have to also find what? F, right? As you know, for rhombus, what is one other property? The diagonals bisects the interior angles. So you also know that if this is F, this angle will be also F. So you can easily find 2 times angle F. Take this triangle KLM. Triangle KLM. Taking triangle KLM, what you can write? Angle 30 degree 2 plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Do you have any doubts in it? Because F, if it is a bisects, there for a rhombus, the diagonal bisects the angle, so this angle would be equal to this angle. So I can write it as 2F, right? And also this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 30 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So you can write it together, 2 times angle F is equal to 120 degree. So angle F is what? 60 degree. So you got the value of angle F as 60 degree. I hope it's clear. So this is how you find the angles from a quadrilateral. It's easy, right? You have to just remember some of the properties, then it would be very much easier for you to solve the problems. Okay, now let's do the parallelogram. One of the important properties of a parallelogram is what? Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So you easily got your value for G. What is the value of G? 52 degree, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Now we need to find H. H, it is very easy. Take the triangle NOQ. NOQ. What you will get? 52 degree plus 65 degree plus angle H is what? 180 degree. Right? So angle H is what? 180 degree minus 117 degree, which is what? 63 degree. Right? So angle H is also very much easy to find. Angle H is what? 63 degree. Now we need to find angle I. It is a parallelogram, right? So remember the formula for alternate angles. Take the sides NQ and OP. What are they? They are parallel, right? NQ is parallel to OP. So you can say that when a diagonal bisects or when a diagonal is drawn through both of these parallel lines, then their alternate angles are equal. So if this is 65 degree, so angle I would be also 65 degree. So you easily got the value for I, and value of I is 65 degree. Now we need to find angle J. J is what? The external angle for this triangle OPQ. So external angle for a triangle OPQ, right? So This is an external angle. Angle J is what? The sum of the interior opposite angles. That is y plus 52. What is what? 65 degree plus 52 degrees Celsius. 52 degrees Celsius, not 52 degree. So what it would be? 117 degree. I hope it's clear, because the sum of the angles, to find the external angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So this is the interior angle of this external angle, and to find the external angle you have to take just the opposite of this interior angle, which is what? I plus 52. I is already given from the alternate angle, so you know it is a 65 degree. 65 degree plus 52 degree, that is 117 degree. So you usually got the value for angle J. Now the last and the final section is on trapezium. Here you have to find K and L. Let's see. Here you have external angle. You know that the external angle is the sum of interior opposite angles. So what it is? Angle 75 degree is equal to 35 degree plus angle K, right? So what you can get? Angle K is equal to 40 degree, right? 40 degree plus 35 degree is equal to 75 degree. External angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So from that you get the value of angle K as 40 degree. Now we need to find the value of angle L. Before finding the value of angle L, you have to remember one thing. What it is? These lines are parallel. That is, RU is parallel to ST. So what you can say? Alternate angles. So what would be this angle now? If this is 35 degree, what would be this angle? Also 35 degree, because alternate angles of a parallel lines are equal. So from that you get 35 degree. Then this is angle L. This is an external angle is given as 115 degree. So 115 degree is equal to angle L plus 35 degree. So angle L is what? 150 degree minus 35 degree, that is 80 degree. So you get the value of angle L as 80 degree. Here it is 40 degree. So it's very easy, right? You just have to remember only two properties are used here. Which are they? They like alternate angles of a parallel lines are equal, and also the external angle is the sum of the interior opposite angles. Other than that, you just have to remember all the properties of these kinds of quadrilateral, then you can easily find the answers. Okay, I hope it's clear. Don't worry about if you have not understood about this topic. I will be doing extra sections and extra problems and solutions based on properties of quadrilateral. So don't worry about that. You will get a better understanding on coming videos. So that's all for this video, and on my next video I will be discussing about the formulas on area of plane figures. So from that you have to remember all the formulas which we use for plane figures. Okay, just you have to remember all these formulas. So that's all for today. Bye bye, take care.